This is my first article, investigating the effects of birth order has on personality, self-esteem, and satisfaction with life and age by Sharon Johnson. This article does talk about satisfaction with life and age, but my research topic does not really dive into satisfaction with life and age when I built the pyramid. So I will be discussing the self-esteem and personality, the effects of birth order on that. And this introduction starts off with 5 hypotheses, and the author will be explaining the hypothesis and then doing results for them. But out of the 5 hypotheses, only 2 deal with the exact research topic that I have chosen. So that's all I want to dive into. And there are 3 and 4. And hypothesis 3 states that there will be a significant correlation between birth order categories and self-esteem, which is well known already, and that's what they will be looking into. And hypothesis 4 is that there will be a significant difference between birth order on personality, self-esteem, and satisfaction of age between the age groups of 18 through 40 and over 40 years of age. Hypothesis 4 is actually very unique because it had, like I talked about in previous articles and previous videos, I wanted to dive into the long-term impact of effects of birth order on like self-esteem and familial relationships. So this will be talking about young people from 18 through 40, but it'll also look at the people over 40 years of age, so I can look at the long-term impact of that. The methods. There are 200 participants filled out an online questionnaire survey. 47 were males and 153 were female, and the survey was completely voluntary. And the eligibility that was required was the participants have to be 18 years of age, they have to have siblings, they have to have 2 parents from the ages 0 through 12. The minimum requirement is secondary school to take the survey. And the variables in the online questionnaire were self-esteem and satisfaction with life based on birth order and personality. So, the participation time was approximately 10 to 15 minutes long, which is not a long time, which is better because then the results don't get flatter as time goes because they get tired of answering certain questions. And as I said before, they're separated into 2 groups, 18 through 40 and 40 and up. And the results. So I said before, there are 5 hypotheses and 5 result sections, but I will just be discussing my 2. So in hypothesis 3, the experimenter used variance to show that the firstborns have a higher self-esteem levels than the middleborns. And this is shown in every single article, that firstborns have a higher self-esteem than middleborns and lastborns, but I'm diving into the middleborn specifically because that is what my research topic is about. And in hypothesis 4, it was found that there are no statistically significant difference in middleborn personality, self-esteem, and satisfaction with life using variance again. So this is different than the rest of my article because they have found self-esteem, middleborns, and personalities to be slightly different than than firstborn and lastborns, but it is a different take on it, and so it's good to record all the results from different articles.